Hi, my name is Kasia and welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna make this quick, but today I'm just refreshing my roots, basically, because when I look close up at them, I can see my natural hair color and it looks really drastic to the black to me, so we're gonna fix that. Back in December, I dyed my loose natural hair black, like the blackest black I could find, and now my roots have grown out. It's what is it now? Beginning of April now. My roots have grown out, and I said I was gonna wait till my next retwist to color it, but I want to do it now. So we're just gonna get straight into it. I'm using the same exact colors and products as my last video, so if you want to watch that, I'll leave that somewhere. I'm using the Ion 1 and N, so I'm using the liquid color, and then I'm taking the 10 volume developer, and we're using 10 volume developer because all we're doing is depositing color, and 10 volume gives you basically no lift, and you don't need any lift when you're trying to go darker. So boom. The only time I would suggest using like a 20 volume developer with a darker color would be if like you're covering up grays, like gray hairs. Forgive that, doing laundry, that's why I'm gonna wrap this up and get straight to it. But if you have grays, just read the instructions on the color, but sometimes you can get away with the 20. So I'm gonna mix and start applying. Let's go. Okay, and I'm just gonna take a shirt that I really don't care about, because me and towels don't really get along, and tie that around my neck. Oh, to prep my hair, all I did was oil my hair and scalp with my Wild Growth, Black Castor, and Vitamin E oil mix. So that's all that's in my hair and scalp right now, besides any like leftover oils from the other day. So let's go. I'm so excited. All right, excuse the dryer once again, but I went ahead and applied all the color. As you can see, it's all over me in the bathroom. But I'm gonna go ahead and let this sit for maybe another like 20 minutes. Then I will come back when I'm finished, because yeah, and that's basically gonna be it. I'll be back. So I'm back. In the shower, all I did, I like rinsed my hair. I tried to rinse till the water runs clear, but this will like bleed for a little bit regardless. That's what happened last time anyways. So I shampooed my hair with my Aphoghee shampoo for damaged hair, and then my Shea Moisture Purple Rice Water shampoo, like the strengthening color care shampoo. And then when I got out the shower, I just did a little hot oil treatment, which was trial and error. All I used was jojoba oil, grapeseed oil, and vitamin E oil, since I'm out of Jamaican black castor oil right now. So that was like a trial and error. That's why that's not on camera, because I've never done a hot oil treatment before, and I wanted to like see how my hair reacted to it before like I put it on camera and show y'all some stuff that ain't work, because that wouldn't be cool. Anyways, so right now I'm just trying to get any like crazy excess water on my hair, because my ends hold more water than my roots do. Oh my, I look like Cynthia, but black. But yeah, this is it. I'm gonna let y'all get close, obviously, so you guys can see, because obviously it don't look different to y'all. It look different to me though. It's great. I'll definitely have to go through and twist a couple of them back up. I can tell, like this one, this one, that one, that one, that one, that one. So we're gonna have to retwist, twist up a bunch of them. All right, let's get y'all this close up. I should have did this already. I should have got this out the way. Let's go. So this is the final look of my hair. Isn't it crazy that I'm saying that? But yeah, in order to get this stuff off from around my hairline, I'll either just wait for it to go away naturally, soap and water type thing. Rubbing alcohol might help, or you can actually get literal like color remover from Sally's, and it takes the color remover. It takes the color remover right off. It takes the color right off your skin. My hair actually feels pretty good after the hot oil treatment, because I was scared in the shower, because in the shower it was feeling like, and I was scared, so it feels okay. My ends feel good. I think that's the real thing. Like my ends, don't want these bitches to fall off. Anyways, that's basically all. If you guys have any questions for me, feel free to leave them down in the comments. I was about to say in the description box below, but I do the description box, so sorry. Just don't forget, if you guys have any questions, you can always just ask them, and then, you know, I'll just have to answer it, and that's how it'll go. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, you can give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you feel like it. Don't forget, my social medias will be in the description box in case you guys want to connect with me. Also, don't forget, if you guys need anything, my DMs are always open. Yeah, that's it. I don't know. I just be feeling like these videos are unfinished now, because I literally just wash my hair and go, and that's it. So like, I'm not about to style my hair or anything. I would literally just go like this. So it's an adjustment. But anyways, I love you guys so much, and I thank you once again for all your love and support, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.